Hey guys, so I'll be teaching you guys Neon by John Mayer. This riff is notorious for being the hardest guitar riff ever. Many don't really touch on it until like many years in their life. Unlike me, I learned it around like 6 to 8 months of learning guitar. Don't do that. But I'll be teaching you guys the technique and the chords in this video. I don't really find the riff hard. I think what's only hard is just the awkward technique of thumb finger, thumb finger. And I think that's what gets most people. But yeah, let's get to it. So first step, tune your low E string to C. Okay, here's a close-up. So you're gonna be doing a technique where you're doing thumb, index, thumb, index. So remember that. So your thumb is gonna hit the C string, then your index is gonna hit the D string, then your thumb is gonna hit the G string, and then your index is gonna hit the B string. So 1, 2, 1. After you're gonna slap, and then your index is gonna hit the G string, your thumb is gonna hit the C string, and your index is gonna hit the D string. So and then you're gonna do the beginning again. Then instead of hitting the G string, you're gonna hit the D string, C string, and D. So from the beginning. Then you're going to go from the beginning again to the first pattern. Then you're going to repeat the beginning 2 times. So slowly. Second pattern. First pattern. Dun, 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 dun. Some people will actually finger pick it. John Mayer plays it with the technique that I showed you before. But many play it wrong because they finger pick it or they use a pick or whatever. So you're gonna want to practice that and get it to where it's just a fluid motion. And also at the beginning of each riff, each pattern, you're gonna want to slap. So you're basically gonna hit it with like the side of your thumb to get that bump. So 2, 3, 4. So I'll have the tabs above me on the side. So first, you're gonna hit the low C string open with your thumb, and you're gonna have your index finger around the 8th fret, and so it's gonna mute from the A string to the E string down. So you're gonna hit a low C, and then you hit a muted D and G string. Then you're gonna fret the 8th string of the B string. So mute, and then you do a percussive slap, and then you're gonna have your index finger with the 10th fret of the G string, and then you're gonna hit the open string C and the open string D. So slowly. After that, you're gonna do a E flat sus2 shape. So there's two ways to play it. I would recommend play it how John Mayer plays it. It's really easy to memorize, and I used to play it with the first version, but I switched to how John Mayer plays it and I found it way easier. And so what he does is he has the thumb fret the 3rd fret of the C string. He has his index finger bar the D and G string 3rd frets. Then he has his index finger, his middle ring finger, sorry, on the B string. And so you're gonna do the first pattern, just arpeggiate. How you can also play it is where you just bar the whole 3rd fret, and then you have your middle finger on the 4th fret of the B string. It's the same thing. After that, you're gonna put your ring finger on the 5th fret. Then you hit open C string. Then you have your pinky on the 6th. So from the beginning. After that, you're gonna keep your pinky where it is. Then you put your ring finger on the 5th fret of the C string. Then you put your index finger on the 3rd fret of the G string, and then your middle finger on the 4th fret of the B string. After that, you leave your index finger where it is. You can pluck that first, 3rd fret of the G string. Then you pluck a low C string, open string, and open D string. So it'll be something like this. After that, you're gonna do the same E flat sus2 shape, but just on the 8th fret. After that, you're gonna put your ring finger on the 10th fret and your pinky on the 10th fret of the D string, and then you're gonna put your index finger on the 7th fret of the G string and your middle finger on the 8th fret of the B string. So you get a shape like this, and you just follow the tab, you arpeggiate it. So slowly the whole thing. Now I'll show what the right hand does and what the left hand does separately. One tip I would say is just take it slow. Just get that right hand really flowy. And practice with the chord shapes, but just take it slow. Slow is fast, remember that. A tip I would say is just emphasize the slaps. When you emphasize the slaps, it gives the riff its percussive nature, which makes it sound really cool. You get like a kick snare with first the bass slap, snare. So kick, snare, kick, snare, kick, snare, kick. So he's playing a bass line, he's playing a melody, and a kick and a snare. So yeah, that's the entirety of Neon Live in LA, the main intro. There's other parts still to the whole song. I actually learned the whole song in total. I learned it around month 6 of playing guitar. I was able to play the full thing by 2 months, by month 8. I've been playing guitar for basically a year now. So that's to hinder your efforts, give you demotivation, you know. But I'm just joking. But yeah, I would say just take your time and you'll get the riff. It's not that bad. I wouldn't consider it like impossible. Oh my goodness, you're a fingerstyle god. Nah, it's not really like that. um it's really easy. You just gotta practice. Practice makes perfect. Sounds corny, but if you don't learn neon, that's how it is. You don't want to be a John Mayer fan. And they're like, oh, can you play neon? No. And that's the only song you avoid. Instead, you be like, yeah, I can play neon. That sounded bad, but you get the point. I would like if you guys subscribed and liked, if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, God bless. And you just got neon.